Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe BSC 2.0 token. This token is in the middle of their pre-sale right now. There's going to be about a little bit less than a day of this pre-sale left to go by the time I upload this video, so you'll have lots of time to go check out this pre-sale. Now, before we get into the info on this token and how you can get it, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, Pepe BSC 2.0 is the name of the token. It's got the yellow Pepe face, just like the original Pepe 2.0 token does. It says, introducing Pepe 2.0 on BSC. After a successful launch on Ethereum, Pepe 2.0 on the Binance Smart Chain is here to revolutionize the meme coin space, ensuring longevity and accessibility for all. Powered by the pure force of memetic energy, Pepe 2.0 will guide you towards a brighter future. Join the Pepe 2.0 movement and witness the resurgence of meme coins like never before. Let Pepe lead the way to a new era of greatness. They have an audit. It says no VC, no team tokens, no tax, influencer marketing, and CoinGecko CoinMarketCap fast track. So if you do look on Pinksale here, they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Fresh Coins, and you can view the PDF of that audit on Pinksale. Pepe space BSC space 2.0 is the name of the token. Pepe space 2.0 is the ticker symbol. Now, this is a public pre-sale. Obviously, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. This token is right in the name. They set their soft cap very low at 1 BNB. They've almost reached 10 BNB so far worth of tokens. I'm sure they're going to sell a bunch more because they still have, it's going to be around a full day left of this pre-sale when I upload this video. So if you're a subscriber, you'll see this in time to go check out the pre-sale. If you're not a subscriber and you saw this late, first of all, hit subscribe. But second of all, if you missed the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Pepe BSC 2.0 token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, PepeBSC20.vip. Actually, you will not. There's going to be probably no slippage, maybe 0.5 or something at the most, because it says 0% taxes. Liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 90 days, so around 3 months. That's not the longest amount of time, so hopefully they do extend that liquidity lock there. Now, of course, there is a total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. According to their token metrics pie chart, 65% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 32.48% go to liquidity, 1.18% go to the Pepe lock, and only 1.32% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you want to check out their socials, they have a Telegram on here at PepeBSC20 and a Twitter at PepeBSC_20. Their Telegram has 175 members so far, so they're just starting out here. And their Twitter, 1,327 followers, so that's pretty good. They just joined in May 2023 on Twitter, and 15 tweets so far. So, of course, they're talking about, their pre-sale right now. And it does say their launch time for Pancakeswap. So if you're looking to get this token after the pre-sale is over, it says it'll be available. Their official launch will be July 11th, 10 o'clock UTC time. That's when you'll be able to get it on Pancakeswap. But right now it's on Pinksale. Of course, they have lots of memes on their webpage and their socials. Check all those out. Now, if you go to their webpage, they do have a link to their audit, their BSC scan, DEX view, Pinksale, Twitter, Telegram. Yeah, all the links you need are here, roadmap, etc. Missed Pepe 2.0 on Ethereum? Here is your second chance on the Binance Smart Chain. Introducing Pepe 2.0 on BSC, the ultimate meme coin for the people of Binance Smart Chain. So, Pepe is tired of the constant frenzy surrounding the multitude of derivative, Shiba, Elon, Kishu, Turbo, Floki, Moon, Inu tokens. He believes it's time for the most iconic meme in the world to reclaim its rightful place as the king of the meme coins. Join the Pepe 2.0 movement and witness the resurgence of meme coins like never before. Let Pepe lead the way into the new era of greatness. So, it's a PEPE2.0 token. They have a roadmap on here. Phase 1 is going to be launch of the token. Then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings. 1,000 holders get Pepe 2.0 trending on Twitter. Phase 2 is going to be their own newsletter. Discord group will come out. Central Exchange listings. 10,000 plus holders. Phase 3 is going to be merch. The Pepe Academy. More holders, more listings, and a meme takeover. Prepare yourself to embark on a transformative journey where the extraordinary transcends the ordinary. Embrace this exhilarating opportunity and become part of an integral part of the revolution. Pepe 2.0 represents the future, eagerly awaiting your participation. Prepare to rewrite the rules, redefine your limits, and emerge as a legendary figure in this groundbreaking movement. They have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage, info@pepebsc20.vip, so you can contact them if you like. And that's about it. So check out their webpage, pepebsc20.vip. Check them out on their socials. Check out on Pinksale. They have less than a day left to go. It's already a successful pre-sale, so they already did well. But yeah, go check it out if you're interested. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.